Hello my dear students and welcome to my Easy Maths class. Today's topic, circle belong to mensuration. Please go through the problem what is given here, very interesting. What is the ratio of radii of inscribed circle and circumscribed circle of a square? Right, a square is given, you have to draw an inscribed circle and then a circumscribed circle of the square. Just see, if this one is the square, this one is inscribed circle, this one is circumscribed circle, right? So here this one is the square, say ABCD is the square, ABCD is the square, and this one is inscribed circle and this one is circumscribed circle. Okay. Let length of each side of square is say a centimeter. Let length of each side of square is a centimeter. Okay. So think about in circle. If each side is a, if each side of square is a, it means radii diameter of in circle is a, so radius of in circle is a by 2. Therefore, diameter of in circle is a centimeter. Therefore, radius of in circle is a by 2 centimeter. Okay. Next, now think about circumcircle. In case of circumcircle, diagonal of square is equal to diameter of circumcircle. Diameter of circumcircle is equal to diagonal of square, that is equal to here a root 2 centimeter. Okay. So diameter of square, diameter of circumcircle is equal to diagonal of square. This one is diagonal of square, which is diameter of circumcircle, that is equal to a root 2, since we have considered each side of square as a centimeter. Therefore, radius of circumcircle is equal to a root 2 by 2, that is a by root 2 centimeter. Okay. So we got radius of in circle a by 2 centimeter, radius of circumcircle a by root 2 centimeter. Now we have to find the ratio of radii of in circle and circumcircle. Therefore, ratio of radii of encircle and circumcircle is equal to a by 2 is to a by root 2. It means 1 by 2 is to 1 by root 2. 1 multiplying both by 2, we can find 1 is to root 2, and this will be our answer. Okay. So, the most important thing here is finding out which one is encircle, which one is circumcircle of the square. Then what relation do diameter of encircle and each side of square has, or diameter of circumcircle and diagonal of square has. From that we got radius of encircle a by 2 and radius of circumcircle a by root 2, and then just by doing calculations we got ratio of radius becomes 1 is to root 2. Okay. I am coming back with another problem. Hello my dear students, this one is another very good problem. The radii of front wheel and rear wheel of an engine are 35 centimeter and 84 centimeter respectively, right? Find the distance travelled by the engine if front wheel revolves 175 more than rear wheel. Means front wheel gives 175 more rotation than rear wheel. Okay. So, distance we have to find, right? Radius given for front wheel and this one is a rear wheel. So, this one is 35 centimeter and 84 centimeter. Okay. So, our first duty is, when the question of rotation arises, one complete rotation means 2 pi r, one circumference. Okay. So, let us find the circumference of each wheel. Circumference of front wheel is 2 pi into 35, that is 220 centimeter, and circumference of rear wheel means 2 pi into 84, 2 into 22 by 7 means 528 centimeter. So, 228 centimeter and 220 centimeter and 528 centimeter. Okay. Let distance travelled be x centimeter, right. Number of rotation means total distance travelled by circumference, because all of you have come to know that one circumference is one complete rotation. So, by the problem, okay, then first write down total revolution of front wheel is x by 220 and the revolution of rear wheel is x by 528. So, by the problem x by 220 minus x by 528 is equal to 175. So, the LCM is 2640 12x minus 5x, or we can say 7x by 2640 is equal to 175, or x is equal to 175 2640 7 66 centimeter, that is equal to 660 meter. Okay, so try to understand. One rotation of wheel means 2 pi r. So, we had to find circumference of front wheel, which is 220 centimeter, and then circumference of rear wheel, which is 528 centimeter. Now, we have considered the distance as x centimeter. So, total number of rotation or revolution, whatever, of front wheel is x by 220 and total number of rotation for rear wheel is x by 528. According to the given condition, front wheel revolves 175 more. What does it mean? X by 220 minus x by 528 is equal to 175. So, ultimately, after calculations, x is equal to 66,000 centimeter or 660 meter have been obtained. So, the total distance travelled is 660 meter. Okay. So, my dear students, from our next class, we are going to start area of circle. That is, all the problems would be from area of circles. Okay. Okay, till then, goodbye.